Hi everyone, Kat here. This here is a bowl of Napa cabbage that's been rinsed, washed and cleaned and cut. I'm going to be pickling them. I'm only using mostly the white parts of the Napa cabbage. So pretty much just cut them in half, and I'm not going to be using this part. You can if you want to, but I like more the crunchy Napa cabbage, so I'm just basically using just the white parts mostly. Okay, so this is about 12 cups of Napa cabbage. Okay, I'm gonna add to it some salt, sea salt. This is MSG, optional. Sugar. Give it a good mix, guys. Okay, then we're also gonna add to it. This is cooked jasmine rice, about half cup of cooked jasmine rice that's been blended with a half cup of water. Okay, so it's about full cup here. Okay, and this rice is what's gonna make it pickle. It's what's gonna help ferment it. Okay, add some sliced julienne ginger, fresh ginger, about half a cup here. You can add as little as much of the ginger you like. I like it a lot, so I'm adding about a third of a cup. And this is 1/4 cup of garlic, thinly sliced garlic. Okay. And for color and flavor, we're gonna add some fresh chili, Thai chili, and some green onions. Okay. Okay, and then give it a really good mix. Alright guys, so after you thoroughly mixed it, you want to go ahead and put it in a container or jar. I want to leave some room on the top, maybe about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, because as it pickles, it's going to start producing liquid. Okay, so you want to leave some room. That way, if it does that, the juice won't spill over. Okay, so before we close it, we're gonna cover it with some saran wrap to tuck it in and lay it on top. I hope keeps the air locked. That. One more. And close it. Then you want to leave this on the counter for 3 to 4 days until it's pickled to your liking. Okay, this is a great time to make it in the summertime when the weather is warmer, so it usually takes about 3 to 4 days. Cooler weather, it's gonna take a bit longer for it to pickle or ferment. So yeah, basically that's it. You just leave it out on the counter for 3 or 4 days. All right. Okay guys, so it's been 2.5 days, and I checked it already, and to me this is perfect to my preference. It's sour enough to the way I like it, so only took 2.5 days sitting on the counter. And while it was pickling, it produced a lot of liquid. See? Okay, and the smell is pickled, just the way pickling stuff smells like. And it is ready to eat. Pepper. And this is ready to eat by itself, or barbecues, fried chicken right here. Got some fried chicken wings to go with this. I like to add some fresh cilantro to it when I'm eating this. Gives it that nice minty, refreshing, herby smell. Give it a try here for you guys. Crunchy, sour, delicious, guys. I don't know if I want to take the whole bite of that pepper. Just a little bit, let's see. Oh yeah, spicy. I said it goes great with fried chicken, guys. Delicious. Pickled Napa cabbage. Very simple recipe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you'll give this easy recipe a try. We'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, when it's pickled to your preference, you want to, if you're not going to eat it right away, you want to put it in the refrigerator. Refrigerate it right away, okay? Otherwise, it's going to continue to ferment, pickle, and it's going to be way too sour. So put it in the fridge once you get it to the way you like it, okay? All right then, see you next time. Bye.